Okay, this is our next stupid idea that you should never ever do. Anyway,
Wait,
we got red pepper from like the pizza places and put it in a cup with water.
Domino's.
Now Cynthia Bueno is stupid enough to do it.
Wait, I want to get one.
And Kaya. So obviously these two. These two. Oh, they're Shannon. Okay, hi, skinny white girl. Anyway, so.
I can't find another.
All right. So anyway,
I'll just get this.
they are idiots, and yeah.
You're an idiot.
Oh.
You're wet.
Ew, gross. Anyway, Cynthia, what are you thinking at this moment?
I'm probably gonna die after this.
Because Cynthia is Mexican and she can barely handle some on the pizza.
After we do this, we're
No,
gonna do it
I
with
put
hot
3
sauce.
packs on my pizza. That was freaking hot.
I put 3 packs and some hot sauce.
So this
After
Mexican.
this- after
Let's see
this-
what the Mexican will do next.
After this,
The Mexican lady.
after this, instead of water, we're gonna use hot sauce.
Ooh, that's actually good. Chug hot sauce in that.
That is so disgusting.
Any last words?
Let's
Shannon, get your greasy hands off me. Ew!
give this together. Cheers.
To death.
Okay, so the last words I have. Wait, the last words I have. Let's see. No, you go first, because I'm thinking.
Hurry up, we're losing people.
I love people. I love somebody in this world. His name is blank. Let's go.
Blank. Okay, and mine is.
Who do you love, Cynthia?
Can you like that? I don't love anybody.
Liar!
No, seriously. I
It's
like
just
coffee.
a bone.
Hey, whoa. I like coffee. That's why I can think
I
of.
love coffee.
And she hates her
Hot
Caramel?
chocolate is
No.
Stupid.
No,
She
caramel.
That's what you get from me.
Caramel chocolate mochas from Pete's Coffee, everyone.
I like
love
white.
Starbucks.
I like the white.
Okay, get back to the spiciness.
That cinnamon's coming back.
Ready?
All right.
Wait, hold on.
Here.
So we have to.
I'm gonna take a video.
No.
No, what? You can't
After
cheat
this,
on the
ready?
video, Shannon.
Okay, ready? So
Ready?
we have to drink all of this.
Yeah. Well, no, this like
Half of it.
chug as much as you can and win gold.
Yeah, as much as you can.
Ready? Set.
Ooh.
The pain will come after.
I'm so scared.
Is my hair okay?
Yes.
It
Ready?
won't matter when you're
Ready?
dead.
Set.
I'm better.
Ready?
Paris Hilton.
Go.
Pass.
One.
Two. And I love everything.
Come on.
I'm sorry, they're gonna do it. Okay.
1,
2.
Shannon, get away. Oh crap! Idiot! Dang, she chugged it. She's done.
Dang, look at that Mexican.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. I have less.
Well, because I had less water.
This is why I put lots of water.
I put 2
Does it do anything to you?
It
No.
burns. I'm a
not
Mexican.
doing that.
I'm a true Mexican. Okay, maybe I don't speak Spanish, but whatever. I
Who cares?
understand it.
I'm cool. Doesn't burn at all.
This sucks.